Have you ever wondered how you can raise fish efficiently with using just little water? Or you have been wondering that you can set up a fish farm at your backyard just with a small pond, but producing enough fish that can even give you more profit. The headache and the difficulty of fish farming is the constant changing of water. And this is making a lot of people or scaring a lot of people away from fish farming. And the Recirculating Aquaculture System is the solution for you. And in this course, that's what we are going to talk about. And when you are enrolled in this course, at the end of it, you will not only learn the basis of Recirculating Aquaculture System, but you will be able to build your own filtration and recirculating aquaculture system in your farm. Not just only in your farm, but you can also use it as a business. My name is Abdulaziz Issa, and in this course, we are going to look at the DIY Recirculating Aquaculture System and Aeration System. Before we dive deep into how to build this system, let's see what Recirculating Aquaculture System is. The Recirculating Aquaculture System, simply abbreviated as RAS, is the filtration and reuse of the same water in the pond. In this system, the insoluble particles and the harmful chemicals are filtered in the pond, and that same water is reused. And in that, you are able to save about 90% of water. This is best for backyard farm and even for commercial farm. You save water, energy, and time. So, having introduced what Recirculating Aquaculture System is, I must let you know that Recirculating Aquaculture System has three main components. I said three main components because there are other components, but these are the three main ones which work together as the Recirculating Aquaculture System. The first is filtration system. The filtration system, as I said earlier, filters the insoluble particles. If I said the insoluble particles, there are things that are not soluble. They will not be dissolved in the water. The feces of the fish, the leftover feed. So when these two things are met together in the pond, the water becomes dirty faster. So this filtration system will remove these insoluble particles. And for that matter, the water will be clean. Not only removing the insoluble particles, it also removes harmful chemicals like high ammonia, high nitrogen, and other chemicals or other parameters that might be harmful to the fish. Apart from the filtration system, another component is the aeration system. The aeration system simple is the addition of oxygen into the pond. In other words, it enriches the oxygen level in the pond. Just like humans, the fish also need oxygen to thrive in the water. So the dissolved oxygen in the pond should be adequate for the fish. But often, without addition of the oxygen, the natural oxygen is not always sufficient, especially if those chemicals, like I mentioned in the filtration system, are dissolved in the pond. So now, you add the oxygen to boost up the natural or the already oxygen in the pond. And that also makes the fish to thrive and grow faster. The third component is the pumps. And these are submersible pumps that are working together with the aeration and the filtration system to make the entire system working efficiently. For instance, a single setup has two submersible pumps, one for the filtration system and the other as the aeration system. So these components are working together as a complete recirculating aquaculture system. By enrolling in this course, you will not only learn the components and the basis and the definitions of these terminologies, but you will also learn how to build this system yourself. So we are going to take you through the DIY with step-by-step, practical, and you will see everything, how every setup is done. So at the end of it, you can do it your own. And like I mentioned, not just set it for your farm, but you can also use it for commercial. And I have witnessed, and I am living example of that. I make a lot of money by making these filtrations for other farmers. You can equally do that. And in learning this, you are going to save a lot of costs. A lot of costs because if you buy the already made filtration system or recirculating aquaculture system, mind you, they get breakdown. And when they get breakdown, you buy again. You buy again. And assuming you have a lot of fish ponds and you have to buy and fix all this, it's going to cost you hundreds or thousands of dollars. By learning this, you just go to the market, buy your simple materials, fix it, put it in your farm, and you are good to go. When they break down, you can fix it yourself, and you are good to go. So at the end of the course, we also show you how to keep maintenance of such system to ensure durability. We shall look at the overview of this entire course and what do you expect to learn in this course. And in this course, you are going to learn DIY, that is do it yourself, recirculating aquatic system and aeration system. So at the end of the course, you will be able to make your own recirculating aquatic system and aeration system using simple and available materials. This course has 5 models. So I'm going to break it down in each model what you will be learning. In the first model, we shall look at the term RAS, the recirculating aquatic system. What does that mean? Then we shall also look at the components of the recirculating aquatic system. Then we shall also look at why you should build recirculating aquatic system, or why should you even learn how to do it yourself. And then we shall also look at how to make it functional properly. Now in the model 2, we look at the planning and design of your RAS, or your recirculating aquatic system. That is getting the essential component of RAS, understanding water flow and filtration. We shall also look at how to size your system to fit your farm, and also select the right materials for your farm. And then in the second model, that is the third model, and that's where the emphasis will come. In the third model, we shall look at how to build each of the components of the recirculating aquatic system. The first component has to do with making the sedimentation container. We shall also look at how to get and prepare rope mesh for the filtration. We shall also build the filtration container ourselves. We shall also construct the second or the top or the final filtration container. Then we shall also look at the top filtration container frame, how to make the frame and how to erect it. Then we shall also look at how to install debris or dust collection PVC pipes. Then we shall also build and install aeration system, giving you step by step. And then finally, we shall look at how to connect the entire system into your pond. So like I said, this model, that the model 3, is the most crucial and important component. In fact, it is the basis for this course. So in that third model, you need to pay much attention, and because it's more practical, and watch out and get your notebook and your pen ready to see how each component is made, and at the end of it all, you can assemble everything together. The fourth model, we shall look at how to maintain and troubleshoot the system. Like every system, not only this, every system needs maintenance. So in this model, that's the fourth model, we shall look at how to keep daily maintenance of the system, how to clean the system, how to check the function of the pumps, how to make sure that everything is working, and if there are challenges or breakdowns, how to fix them. we shall look at these things individually in this model 4. Then after which we'll get the final model where we shall wrap up everything, giving you the summary of the entire course and what to expect and how to get these materials. So we shall get you list of some of these items and probably where to even access them. So please, like I said, this course is a comprehensive course that covers DIY recirculating aquatic system and aeration system. So when you follow the course to the end, you will be able to build your own filtration system, your own aeration system, and by doing so, you can run your farm without constantly changing the water. And you can also even set up these farms for other farmers for charge, and you can make hundreds of dollars through this, which I am currently doing, and I want to share that with you. And our doors are open for more discussions.